Hey, welcome back. How have your headaches been since the last time we got together?
Nah, about the same. I mean, I try to do those neck stretches I read about, and I've been standing up more, but I don't know. I might think I just need to drink more water.
Well, she's probably right. I mean, people really underestimate the importance of proper hydration. There's a really great book I read a couple years ago called You're Not Sick, You're Just Thirsty. When I read that book, it totally blew my mind. I never go anywhere without my water bottle now.
Huh, maybe that's it.
I'll send you a copy of the book. It's amazing. Let's get you on the table. Hey, welcome back. How have your headaches been since we met up last month?
Meh, about the same. I mean, I try to do those neck stretches I read about, and I've been standing up more, but my partner thinks I just need to drink more water.
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm sorry that you haven't seen any change. Headaches can really affect everything. What do you think about the water consumption theory?
I mean, I don't know. I guess I could try it, but it feels like it's something actually going wrong in my physical neck and shoulders, like mechanically.
Yeah, I hear that makes sense.
I know water is, kind of important to all of the things in your body. So I just hate it when my partner acts like, she has these simple solutions that somehow like I'm too dumb to have thought of them, but I guess it wouldn't hurt to drink more water.
Can't argue with that.
Hey, I
What's
just
up? Welcome back.
thanks. I don't want to be welcome back because I'm not here for a good reason, obviously.
Yeah, what's happening?
I was at the gym doing CrossFit with my homeboys last week, and somehow I don't know what happened, but I hurt my lower back, and it hurts even when I try to pick up my backpack or my gym bag. I don't know what's going on.
Oh man. Yeah. I mean, I see a lot of clients who hurt themselves at CrossFit. It just seems like it's really hard to do it responsibly. Like maybe you want to try something less aggressive.
Well, I mean, it's fun. Like so, me and the homeboys we get together, we challenge each other, and we just have a good time. And then you get to act, you get to exercise. So I mean, I like it. I love it.
Man. All right. Well, I mean, it sounds like you love CrossFit, but I don't know if CrossFit loves you.
Okay,
Well, let's see if we can get you fixed up. Get you on the table.
cool. Thanks.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome back.
Hey, thank you. Yeah, I got good news. I was at the gym last week. Somehow, I hurt my lower back when I was doing CrossFit and training with my homeboys, and it hurts. Like I can't even when I try to lift my backpack or lift something, it just hurts. I don't know what I did.
Oh man. I'm really sorry. Do you know, I mean, I know there's lots of different exercises in CrossFit. Like, do you know what exercise you were doing when it happened?
Well, I mean, we were doing the what is it, the kettlebell swing and lunge.
Okay.
Um, and we were doing this challenge and we were doing that, and I guess it was that because that was something new, but I don't know.
Man. So did you feel it when it happened? Do you know what went wrong? Or was it like you got home and you were like, oh man, like now I can't move?
No, it happened when I was home later on, and that was the only thing extraordinary. But I love the CrossFit. I love working out, doing it with my homeboys. It's kind of like camaraderie type, fun building, relationship building event that occurs often and we get in shape. So I like it. And it's fun. It just sucks that I got hurt.
It definitely does. Well, let's get you on the table and see what we can learn about your body and what happened in there.
Cool. Thanks.
Hello, welcome back.
Hi.
How's it going?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to say more?
Yeah, I feel like I really should be standing up a little bit more during the day, but I don't know. I just kind of get so busy at work and I'm just sitting all day long.
Yeah, I get that. I set an alarm on my phone, and then every time the alarm goes off, I get up, or like anytime I get a text, I get up and I before I even allow myself to read it, I stand up and move. And then when the phone rings, I make sure that I take that call when I'm walking, and I think about what a precious gift my body is, and it totally I just stand up so much more now.
Okay.
Oh, welcome back.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm not a huge fan of winter, but I'm doing pretty well. How about you?
I don't know, trying to get out a little bit more. Just sitting around, I don't know, I feel kind of just tired all the time. Don't know whether I should be standing up more, but work gets in the way. I'm just sitting there.
Yeah, I know you look at a computer a lot at
Yes.
work. Yeah, and so it is a thing that people are talking about a lot. Is there? I mean, you've obviously said you feel a little bit stiff and just kind of your face said blah.
Yeah.
But you said I feel like I should, or I'm supposed to be walking or standing more.
I just feel like it's the stigma now, right? If you just sit around and do nothing, but at the same time, if I'm at work, I'm just at work. I mean, I don't know what, I'm just at the computer. I do try to get up here and there, but sometimes I just get carried away and I'm just sitting there, and next thing you know, it's oh, it's time to go.
Yeah, okay. So when you I'm really feeling this should, and I want to just if you imagine your day and you think about getting up more or walking more, what does that feel like if you just imagine, not don't worry about if I set an alarm, if I it's not about the mechanics of how will I make it happen, but if you imagine tomorrow when I go to work, I'm imagining myself moving more, how does that feel?
I think I would feel a little bit better. Then I don't feel like I've been stagnant or just, not have done anything, and I could have done a little bit more active thing.
Yeah.
I guess I could get up every so often, especially, if I have to go to the bathroom, I guess I can count that as standing up, but I should take my time getting back into the desk by just rushing back into it.
That makes sense. So if you decide that is something that and we don't have to solve this today, if you decide that's something that you want to do, I would be happy to be a sounding board if you are trying out strategies to make that a thing. I want you to be so kind to yourself, because it's so easy to add things to our lives that I should be doing. And, if the excitement of imagining moving during the day feels inspiring, great. And, if you want to be okay, this week I'm going to try blah, blah, I'm happy to be your sort of neutral listener about ideas about how to make that happen.
That would be great.
All right. Awesome. Let's get you on the table.